ડુ યુ ટ્રાન્સલેટ ઇંગ્લિશ વર્ડ બાય વર્ડ? તો આ જ રીઝન છે કે તમે ફ્લુઅન્ટ નથી બોલી શકતા. હેલો એવરીવન, this is Pragna Patel and welcome back to your favorite channel Easy Speak English. Today I will show you a simple secret. Stop translating and start understanding. After this video, your speaking will change. Let's begin. First we see the biggest mistake that most learners do. Let's better understand with an example. I am feeling cold. Translation is હું છું લાગણી ઠંડી. Is it correct? No, it's wrong. But why? Because you translated each word. The correct translation is મને ઠંડી લાગે છે. Now I share secret rule of translation. Meaning is more important than words. Now ask yourself, what is the idea? Not what is each word. Let's understand with an example. I am hungry. મને ભૂખ લાગી છે. You understand an idea, not word to word. Now we see different structure of English and Gujarati. First English pattern, subject plus verb plus object. Now Gujarati pattern, subject plus object plus verb. Let's see an example. I eat mango. હું કેરી ખાઉં છું. Friends, remember, order change, that means translation change. Now we see wrong sentence versus right sentence. Number 1, I miss you. હું તને યાદ કરું છું. Is it correct? No. Correct is મને તારી યાદ આવે છે. Number 2, are you coming? તમે આવી રહ્યા છો? Is it right? No. Correct is તમે આવશો. Now last and third. It's raining heavily. તે ભારે વરસાદ હતો. Is it right? No. Right is ભારે વરસાદ પડી રહ્યો છે. Now 3-step thinking method. Step number 1, understanding meaning. Step number 2, think in Gujarati. Step number 3, speak naturally. And remember, don't translate but transform. Now practice time. Your turn. Pause video and try. I am going home. She is very happy. We are learning English. Now show your answer. હું ઘરે જઈ રહી છું. એ બહુ ખુશ છે. અમે અંગ્રેજી શીખી રહ્યા છીએ. So friends, remember, fluency comes when you stop translating. Think in Gujarati. Speak confidently. Comment below, fluent. Thank you so much for your time. Follow for English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.